ano yung memories ng simbang gabi? Nakikita mo outside the church, nagsi-steam na mga parang chimney. One of the foods that reminds us of Christmas is the puto bumbong. Lalo na sa mga taong nag-a-attend ng simbang gabi, nakikita mo outside the church, nagsi-steam na mga parang chimney that are cooking the puto bumbong. So ito, yung mga bamboo or mga plastic, mga modern, bumbong yung tawag doon, yung parang chimney. Oftentimes, hindi tayo nagluluto sa bahay kasi wala tayong special contraption to make puto bumbong at home. Pero eto, gagawin nating simple just for you. You can do it with a simple steamer and banana leaf. So let's start. Rice flour and glutinous rice flour. Hindi siya traditional recipe, pero kung nagki-crave ka, it's already very satisfying. Violet food color, or some people would use ube color to give it that parang purple color. Meron na tayong rice flour, which is like an instant way of doing it. And eto lang, combine lang natin yung ating colored water and our rice, combination natin ng sticky glutinous rice and regular rice flour. So you can do this ahead of time. No? Let the rice absorb all the moisture, pero it has to be medyo chalky, no? Hindi siya yung texture na parang dough. So ito medyo dry. If you want it darker, you just add a bit more of the ube color. That is our dough. Very crumbly dough. But do not worry kasi dapat crumbly talaga siya. Kasi you don't want it to be very dense because yung ginagawa natin dito, dapat buhaghag siya. So there are air pockets within the dough to let it rise and steam. So ganyan, no? Just shape it and grate, no? Look at that. So it's dry, no? Hindi siya yung wet, hindi siya moist. So we want that type of consistency na very like sandy, para siyang buhaghag lang, no? So pag sinasabing puto bumbong, ano yung memories ng simbang gabi or kahit hindi ka nagsisimba, kumakain kayo, nagpapabili kayo ng puto bumbong at kumakain kayo with your family. And I think this is good enough, no? Even if you use yung totoong pirurutong, ito din yung gagawin mo eh. Diba? Mas padali lang yung buhay natin dito. And para mas maging masarap yung ating puto bumbong, we will use real butter, Arla butter. Kukuha lang tayo ng konti dito and we will melt it to brush our banana leaves. And ito na yung ating butter. So parang lumpia lang yung gagawin natin, no? So we have our butter, brush, 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 para hindi dumikit and also to give it a nice flavor. Yan. And we will just roll up. Maluwag lang siya. Yan. Then roll, no? Dapat there is space for the steam to enter and for our puto bumbong to cook and expand. You can ask your kids to help you make this. Diba? Parang lumpia, Shanghai lang yung peg. Damihan na natin kasi masarap kasi kumain ng puto bumbong. Pag may bisita ka, di ba, bigla ka may puto bumbong sa bahay. And it's quite affordable, no? Ang dali lang, napaka-affordable lang ng ingredients. Now, we will arrange it into our steamer. Yan. And of course, we are cooking this with our La Germania gas range. Diba? And maganda to dahil efficient ang cooking natin. And ito, we've been using La Germania through the years. Taking care of your family and of course, preserving traditions. Diba? And napaka-durable talaga ng La Germania. And we will cover this to steam. And in a few minutes, meron na tayong puto bumbong. And luto na yung ating puto bumbong. And diba? Steaming hot. Bili na kayo ng puto bumbong. Ilan ba dapat sa isang order? 3, 4. Last piece. O, di ba? Yan. And of course, yung gagawin natin dito, brush with our Arla butter. Salted butter, of course. Kasi sweet, salty combination. Pero, anong gusto nyo? Traditionally, lalagyan mo ng niyog and muscovado. Pero ngayon, ang dami ng versions ng topping, I'm now adding our cheese. So, gusto ko may cheese. Yan. Iba naman may dulce de leche, di ba? Iba condensed milk. Iba naman, meron ding naglalagay ng tsokolate. Ako, happy na ako dyan. And I will just dip it in my muscovado. So, freshly cooked. Buto bongbong, bili na kayo. Merry Christmas sa inyo. Perfect. Brings back the memory. Tastes the same. And makes me just as happy. Try this recipe at home. Ating puto bongbong to make your Christmas complete.